We were somewhere around Miami Beach, on the edge of the ocean, when we realized Gora would need a complete rewrite. Gora's rewrite includes two fully rewritten front ends. The primary front end, which will be available on Distro Dazad Dalton soon, is written in Vue by our very own Sagram Savluk. The power user intentionally frustrating front end was written by yours truly, using 9 separate rudder pages, delicately spliced together. Today I'm going to give you a brief demo of a new type of Gora, the stackable Gora, and I'm only going to show you it in rudder where it's intentionally harder to effectuate. However, a stackable Gora is pretty interesting and I think you'll all like it. A stackable Gora is a Gora that contains a map of points per ship within it. You can use it to track attendance, plaudits, pithy one-liners, whatever. Stackable Gore are interesting in that they can be created by burning standard Gore, converting the NFT, so-called, of a standard Gora into a fungible token of a stackable Gora. When you burn your old Gore to make a stackable Gora, each holder of a burnt Gora will receive 1 point per Gora burnt. So if we take a look at the example that I have here, we have Zod on the left and Wet on the right. Zod has issued several Gore, including 1 through 4 here. And some of them are owned by Zod and some of them are owned by Wet only. So Zod owns 1, 2, and 4, and Wet owns 1 and 3. This should result, if we were to burn all of these, in a stackable Gora configuration with 3 for Zod and 2 for Wet. So let's go ahead and do that. If we go into the Make a Gora dialog and we click on this burn icon down here, we are taken to another page where it looks like we can create a Gora, and we have some options about other Gora that we can include in it. If we give it an image here and then a name, we could select all of these burn here, all of the Gora that we've previously made. You can see we have a link icon that would take us to that page, so we could check on all of those if we wanted to and make sure they were the right ones. But then we can click Create. We'll be taken to a page where you see that Zod has 3 and Wet has 2. If we come over to Wet and move to Accept Offers, actually I think we already have them. So let's go and look at our own Gore, or the ones that are from Zod here, and we can see that we have that Gora, the stacked Gora. We now know from Zod that Wet has 2 and Zod has 3. Incidentally, these lights on the left here indicate 2 things. First, the bottom one indicates ownership of that Gora, so if you have that, that'll be lit, otherwise it'll be orange or amber. And the light on top indicates that you have an active subscription to the host. We look forward to deploying this version of Gora soon. Thank you so much for watching.